now. Okay. You should be able to see me right now. Okay, I want to be sure that you are seeing me right now. If you can see me loud and clear and you can hear me, please comment. Comment. You can see me, you can hear me, comment. Okay, I'm the one that actually off the light so that I can see my setup very well. To stand up now to go on is a problem. Now, if you can see me and hear me, please comment. I'm back on YouTube, okay? I'm back on YouTube and I'm using my phone. Green screen, okay? No, not green screen. Uh, what else? Create highlights. Green, kí mo fẹ́ fi green screen ṣe? No, I don't want. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want. I don't want any green screen. Create highlight, retouch, hide live video. No, flip. No, no. So YouTube itself does not have a share screen. Okay, if you can hear me right now, I am on YouTube. Okay. I don't have much time. People on the WhatsApp, you can also hear me. Now, I'm going to explain this first, okay? We'll break this into two. We'll break it into two categories. Okay, the first category is going to be that we are going to. I'm going to explain the process. Okay, thank God that YouTube, you'll be able to go back and rewatch or whatever. Now, I'm going to break it into two sections. Now, there should be a way, okay, there's a way I can share the link of YouTube. Okay, good. I can now, once we are up to like 10, I can start. If you want me to start, just let me know so I can start. I want you to be able to go over the view. Okay, see the reason. One of the reasons is this. I've stopped. Okay, I've stopped training for a long while. Ask me, Jawa. I've stopped training for a long while. Okay, I think 2022 is when I stopped training. Help me on that light. Help me change. Okay, guys, please give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, I had to go and change to lights, okay, so that we can see ourselves very well. All right, now this. Oh, okay. Is it? I don't even know which one will I on now. Not a problem. It's not light I'm after, Jare. It's not light I'm after. I'm after explanation. Okay, I'm after explanation. Okay, I think it's a bit better like this now. I didn't want to put light on my face, and I don't even want to on my floodlights. I didn't want to on any of that. Okay, let's get going. Now, it's just two categories, right? I'm going to explain this to you like, let's say you have not even traded before, or you have not been trading. Okay, let's assume you know sabi trade. You don't even know how to trade. Okay, that's the assumption. Okay, so for somebody who has not been trading or who have not traded before, and I want to introduce how I trade, the digital trading that I do, that I run, I want to introduce it to you. So the Deriv now is, how do you go about this? What do you need? Remember, I said two categories. Two categories. Number one, the explanation to indoctrinate you into the particular way of trade, the way I trade. Okay, that's version one. The version two will be to take example. We're going to do real life example. We're going to trade live. Okay, the main focus of today is to actually trade live. But you see, because some of you have not traded before, some of you don't even know the platform. Okay? Oh, okay. Somebody is listening to me, but I can hear myself. All the one I don't talk before, now I just be here now from this place. Okay, that's one of the reasons why I wanted us to use like Telegram or WhatsApp, but they were giving issue. So after this, I'm going to work with them, see how to make them better. Usually, I always take my time. If they do not even do better, I have better platform that will solve all the things. We will use Zoom straight up. Okay? All we'll do is we'll just use Zoom. We'll move away from YouTube, go straight over to Zoom. Okay, you will be able to hear audio and see my screen. I'm not going to be going up and down. Okay, when I do training for people, I use Zoom. Okay, but because I know a lot of my subscribers are on YouTube, and I just wanted to use the remaining part of this year to encourage and probably, teach few people about trading. Now, what is the first thing you need to know about this trading? Number one, please, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Can you hear me? I want you to understand this. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay, whereby you are going to suddenly make all the money in the world. No. It is a business. In fact, it is a business. Let me give you another style. See my head. Don't mind me. It is a business, okay? It's a business. Let me put it like this. It's a business. And you have to see it as a business. Do not think you are going to make all the money in the world that fast. No. Anybody that advises you, in fact, I think people started joining the WhatsApp group, and then I started seeing a lot of other people joining as well, and they started sharing, let me manage account for you. I trade forex. If somebody tell you trade forex, he wants to manage your account. Okay, ask yourself this question. Excuse me. If you are the one, you are trading, and you can turn 1,000 into 3,000 in a month. Will you be trading for people? Answer the question. Please, you are here. If you have made money, you know how to make money. Will you be making money for people? The only time or the only period you would want to make money for people will be when The process requires using multiple accounts. That's when you want to get people involved. But you will also not even get them involved directly. You will just want paid. Can I buy your details? I'll be using it. You buy it off. All the people that will tell you I'm managing account and funding account, they will collect your money and they will spend it. Okay, I've traded for people. I think when I stopped trading 2022, 23, 24, I've traded for people with their money using robots because I was trying to make the robot work. It was not doing. Using robots, it didn't work. I did it myself so that they will understand that it is working. But the other part of the robot, maybe I have not gotten a hold of it yet. That's why it's not yielding. And I've had at least out of almost 10 or 15 people that I participated. When was it? I think 24 or 23. 23 or 24 was when I did the last one. They made, in 4 months, they made almost 100%. In 4 months, they made 100%. In 4 months, they made 100%. And they got their money back. I don't have problem with it. But you see, I discovered that it was not working for me. I don't like stress. I was only focusing on them. I was not even focusing on myself again. So that's why I stopped it. And because it was not helping me. I was only trying to help. But now I'm trying to help. I can't abandon myself, which is no go. So if anybody promise you will make this much, you will make that much. I don't know how true it is. But to me, there is a way we say it here in Nigeria. Wrong. Wake up. No allow them slap you. If they slap you, they collect your money. You say any waff and wofo, you are looking for, it's gone. So what is this business all about? Very simple. Usually before I used to tell people you need 4 basic requirements. But you see right now, you need 3. Why? Because the 4th one is what I'm giving you right now, free. We are doing it live now, free. Okay, I'm not asking you to bring money. I do not want anybody to stress me. Go and ask all my students. It's been a while I've even chatted with them or even responded. I don't want stress again. So if you are stressing me, I'll block you. Here now. If you have question, you ask me question, I will respond to you. I am not offering you a trading strategy that will make you millions. No. Remember the title of my life project. You can make as easy, as quick as $10 daily. On a daily basis. Can you be making $10 every day? Is it possible? Is it doable? That's what we want to work on. But you see, I will show you the process. We will do the process. We will carry out the process. Yes, today. Where's my time? Okay, yes, today. We still have 1 hour. 1 hour is enough to look for signal, get signal. 1 hour is very enough to look for signal and get signal. And that's why right now I've opened up my setup here. Okay, I've opened up my chart here so that if signal shows up, okay, if signal is available while I'm talking, okay, if signal is available while I'm talking, we can quickly go and say we should go and trade it. But so that you will get to know what we won't go trade. So that it's not going to be like magic. Because let me let you know, the trading we want to do does not take time. Hello? The trading, this phone has gone off. The trading itself that we want to do does not take time. Okay, the trading itself does not take time. Is it possible that you make money? Okay, question is it possible that you make money? Very possible you make money. Very, very possible you make money. Is it possible that you will also lose money? In fact, it's over possible to lose money. Losing money is very faster than even making money. Okay, losing money on the trading platform is faster, quicker than making money. But you see, the real problem why people do not make money consistently, apart from overtrading, is control. Before you even start, you yourself know, say you lack control. You know if you control yourself. That's why majority of people are always opting for robots. That's why I'm working so hard to build that robot. I'm almost there. See, there is only one shaking it like this that remain. And that shaking it, when ChatGPT gave me the requirement and the lay down, that shaking it will remain. You know when they said something has memory to work with? Yeah, I'm working on building memory for my robots. That is what ChatGPT said my robots lack. Why? Because I observed that there are traits. Me personally, I'm looking at the chart right now. I'm seeing the signal is available, everything is available, and I say no, I'm not entering this trade because I know it's going to reverse very soon. Why? There are formations, there are things I will see on the charts. I've seen over years, I've seen over time, repeat itself. It's the same thing, it's the same way. It ends up. It has become part of my memory. It has become part of my idea. But robot does not have that record. He does not have that. So he works with what he has. That's the only thing remaining for my bot. Apart from that, if I wanted to be doing 2-2 trades, he's doing 2-2 trades every day. For me, yes. Has it made profit? It has made profit today. I've not even collected the money itself. I must collect it this night. I've not collected the money. Does it make profit? Yes. Is it profitable? Yes. It's only profitable when it is 1 unit, 1 person per 1 unit. I'm not referring to that right now. But the trading we want to do, what are the 3 requirements we need? Number 1, you need your mobile phone. This phone where they use, they watch me. You need that with internet access, good internet access. I don't know how strong or how reliable MTN is right now. I don't know how strong, how fast, how reliable MTN is. But before, based on my own record, MTN is very in trading, it's somehow bad for me. Reason why it's bad is because it changes VP every time. I'm trading right now, and all of a sudden it locks me out. I'm trading right now. All of a sudden, I'm logged out. I want to take trades, and I'm page refresh, and I'm logged out. MTN does that a lot because of change of IP. They suddenly change anytime. That's why I don't use MTN to trade. I use Airtel. Even at my location here in Ikorodu, it's still Airtel I'm using. It's Airtel I'm using to stream right now. Okay, it's Airtel. So you need good internet. Remember I said it's 2 sessions, so relax. This few sessions, in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to explain the things you need and how this thing work. I'm going to also try to take you, okay, I will swap the screen and show you the screen. I'll use that to explain. So you see the platform we're working with. I trade on Deriv. Now Deriv has changed name like 3 times. Okay, they used to be, I've forgotten that their first name, something option, something. One small name like this. That was when I started using them. But because I didn't so much understand how their platform looked like, I left it. I went to IQ option. Okay, while trading on IQ option, I left IQ option because of withdrawal, not because of anything. Withdrawal. I was depositing with card. When I want to withdraw, they will say I have limited. If I deposit $10, I cannot collect more than $30. So if I imagine I deposit $10, I've made $100, I cannot collect $100. I can only collect like 30. they will make me lose the money back. I'm going to dash them back. So I said, I know they do. Now lie. Me. So I stopped them. So I switched back to Deriv. Then they were binary. Now, while using them, I found out that, I can quickly deposit. Go and watch some of my old videos from like 2018, 2019, whatever. You see me, I'll deposit. Trade, collect. And they now also have a crypto you can use to cash out. So as at then, Bitcoin was, I was using Bitcoin, but in fact, I even became a payment agent. Okay, but the reason why I stopped being a payment agent is the stress and my liver no carry out. I had to stop. So I need you to understand that the platform I'm trading with, you can collect your money like now, right now. Right now it's like 9 o'clock. Okay, right now it's like 9 o'clock. How I wish YouTube can share screen so that I can just show you the process. Okay, I think I uploaded a video recently of me cashing out. It's the same. It doesn't take any time of the day if you're using payment agent. That's why I recommend, if you are starting, remember phone and internet, that's the first requirement. If you are starting for the first time and you want to register on the platform, please make sure to use payment agent to deposit and to make your withdrawal. Reason is that, you see, with payment agents, you are not going to be waiting for approval. You are not going to be waiting for binary approval or Deriv approval. It means you can collect your money anytime you want. That is the advantage. Okay, and then your account, your cashier account is not going to be having issues. That's why I recommend the platform. Now, for those who are watching, now the platform I'm talking about that I trade on is Deriv. Okay, let me see if I can. How will I post this now? I'm going to try and post I'm going to post the link on the group. Okay, the link for Deriv. Right now, I will post it on our group. Okay, I hope you guys are with me. So I said I'm going to post it on the group. Okay, let me quickly post that right now. Now, if you do not have an account, this is your first time. You don't have an account, okay? Here, you can open or create. You can use my link. Create a new Deriv account. When you create it, you will get a demo account, all right? So, you guys that you already know how to trade, please relax and let me explain. Because there are so many that they don't have accounts. They have not started before. They have not done it before. I know. I've spoken to like a couple of them today. So you open a new Deriv account. You can use my link. I've posted it on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, once you create that link, once you create a Deriv account, they will give you a virtual account. All right. Virtual account. Very good. Very easy. Now you have an account. But you see, you already have a phone, you already have internet. Now, the account, let me also call it out so that you'll be able, Bitly, you can, a short link for it is BIL, okay, bit.ly/then TMNmedia Deriv. TMNmedia Deriv, okay, bit.ly/TMNmedia Deriv. Okay, you can use my link to create an account. That's my affiliate link, okay, for Deriv. Now, once you have an account with Deriv, okay, the next thing you need is to understand the platform. Remember, I said this is a business. I said you need mobile phone. You need trading capital. Now, let me shock you. The trading capital you don't need big money. Hello, you do not need big money. Stop disturbing yourself about $100, $200, $300, $500. You don't need that much to start. Every year, I start a fresh journey with Deriv with $10. Every year. My year starts in November. Every year, I start afresh with $10. Every year, I know they miss out. Okay, I know they miss out. I start with $10. Do you know why? So that because I do a lot of other things that distract me, so that I can be in tune with my strategy, in tune with the process. I am no longer thinking, does it work? Will it work? Will it fail? Mm-mm. Why? Because I have cashed out multiple times. Now, what a lot of people don't understand is that apart from the fact that you need mobile phone with internet access, you need trading capital. Trading capital can be as low as $10. Hello. Now, let me ask you, do you have $10? Do you know how much $10 is? Okay, in Naira, $10 is like, let's say 16,000 Naira. $10 right now. In Naira, let's say 16,000 Naira. So, what I'm simply telling you that this business of digital trading, you can start with as low as 20,000 Naira. Hello? Are you with me? Now, if you have 20,000 Naira, you are okay. You have 100,000, you are okay. You have anything more, you are okay. But let me tell you, the lowest you can start with is 20,000 Naira. Oh, you say, how much will 20,000 Naira make me? Yes, it's small, but don't forget the fact that it's 20,000 Naira. The mistake a lot of us make is that once we hear trading, you start thinking about all the forex people you have seen on YouTube. You start thinking of Jeffrey Benson. You start thinking of Abi Forrest. You start thinking of Luke Kane or what is it? All of them, different ones. The ones that are making big money. That's what you are thinking of. See, my own category, I've told you my own category. This is project $10 daily, not project $1,000 daily, not project $100 daily, not project $1 million. It's project $10 daily. Excuse me. $10 is like 15,000 there in withdrawal. How would you feel if you're able to be making 15,000 naira every day? It means in a month you should be able to cash in averagely 300, 400,000 every month. You'll be okay. You will even do well if you are stable. Somebody said the highest currency is discipline. It's discipline. But you see, the reason why I'm not in a rush to say let's just go and trade, because the trading can be very fast sometimes. Before you even open and say Jack can do, it don't show. And because it's very fast, you get carried away and say, let me do another one. Let me do another one. Let me do another one. You don't forget. Now so easy when you go work. Now so they do work. If you go to work and you work from 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, do you say, let me do overnight for free? Even though you know you are tired, would you do overnight? You know, say, now your body go there. So you can't be a working machine. No. There has to be a time you do. There has to be a time you stop. You cannot just be trading anyhow. You cannot be doing 20 trades, 30 trades, 40 trades. You will wound yourself. Listen, hear from somebody who has done all that. I've done all that. There is no version I have not done. So if I'm telling you, I've been trading since 2013, so no be today. And mind you, I do not have any other source of income other than trading. I don't have any other job. Which job go pay me wetin I dey get for trading? Which job? Which job I wan go enroll for right now? Say make dem train, make dem give me room, give me chance. I wan start work. How much you go dey pay me? How I go take feed these people? Sometimes when I go to the market to go and buy food stuff, and I go with 100K, see everything where I buy, everything where that 100K buy, you see the size of this laptop, you know pass the size of this laptop, 100K, you know pass size of this laptop, 100K, wait till you buy. You people know now, if you go market right now, how much be bag of rice? Maybe 80,000 or 75,000 or something thousand. Everything you want to buy. In fact, 1 kilo of chicken is how much? 6 something or something. Something where they buy 1.5 something before. So everything is increasing. So where do you want to start from? Where do you want to start making? You go salary work, say how much they go to pay you. Okay, let's look at it this way so that you understand the business part. Remember I said, number 1, mobile phone with internet access. Number 2, I said trading capital. Number 3, you need 1 hour or let's say 90 minutes every day dedicated for trading. Yes, you are going to work. Good. If it is after work, no problem. Schedule your own for after work. That's when you are going to trade. Mind you, the Deriv trading platform is available 24/7. It is available 24/7. Okay, I need you to understand. It is available 24/7. You can trade anytime, anywhere. Okay, remember, first thing, your mobile phone with internet access. Then we'll create an account. Check the WhatsApp group for the link for the account. You create a Deriv account. If you already have one, no problem. You don't need to do another one, no problem. No problem at all. Okay, I'm not moved by that. First, create an account. Once you have an account, you need a minimum capital. Hello, I said capital. Minimum. 20K, 20,000 naira, $10. You're listening to me, you're not from Nigeria, $10. That's what you need. $10. You don't need more. You don't need plenty money to get started. Now, let me tell you what you need that must be plenty so that you will be able to earn more and plentiful. Discipline. The patience. Don't be in a hurry. Hello. The platform is you see, this digital trading I'm talking about is not like forex trader that can trade for hours. You have to wait for hours. They are working on their winning ratio, win to their ratio, whatever. No, it is not forex trading. Hear me well, hear me well. This is not forex trading. This is not forex trading. This is not forex trading. It is digital option trading. You are trading options on Deriv. Now, that Deriv option trading, you can make profit at any time. Okay? You can make profit at any time. You can make profit. You can make profit under 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 hour. Depending on your capacity. Now, how do we now work this out? How does this work? The last requirement is the training. How you are going to trade. But you see, I've stopped offering training. I've trained over 3,000, whether 3,400, 3,500 students. I'm not interested in training in anybody stressing me right now. I can train you for free. But you see, the real training is instilling discipline to do and follow the right process. There is a process on how the trading works. All you need to do is to repeat the process till you master the process. Hello? Hear me well now. There is a process involved in digital trading. All you need to do, okay, all you need to do is to practice the process, learn the process, practice the process. You learn the process, you practice the process. While you're practicing the process, you will master the process. Then you will be repeating the process every day. Now, this process we're talking about involving you looking at the price of the market and say, oh, this thing is going to go up. So since it's going to go up, I'm going to buy that is going to go up so that I can make small profits. That is what trading is all about. We are predicting the direction, the movement of the markets. That is what we are doing. So if what you are doing is to predict the direction of the market, it means you need to understand your instruments that you're going to be using to measure, to know if it's going up or down. So all you need to do is to master the process of identifying when it is going up and when it's coming down. Now, I don't do that anymore any day. I don't do that anymore. I used to do that every day before. I would just start looking at the charts. I'm waiting to get signal. I'll get signal. Okay. The way my signal setup is structure is we'll get signal. When we get signal, you get signal for like 1 hour. When we know the trend of the market for the day, we get signal 1 hour. Then we do 5 minutes. We get confirmation. Then once we get confirmation that, oh, it's actually going our way, then on 1 minute we make our trade. If I also want to break it down and say I want to use a bigger time frame, I use 1 hour, I'll use 15 minutes, then I'll use 5 minutes. Voila. Now I only use 3 processes: signal, confirmation of that signal that it is actually true, is going that direction, then I'll get my entry. So what am I getting signal for? What am I getting confirmation for? What am I getting all those things, all those three steps for? What am I getting them for? The whole idea is to be able to predict the direction of the market, where it is going. Is it going up or is it going down? Oh, if you are correct, you win. If you're wrong, you lose. Are you getting it? That is how trading works. Whether Forex, whether IQ option, whether any, you predict, you are correct, you win. You are wrong, you lose. That's it. So if you're coming to trading, you should have an understanding that there will be the winning days and there will be a lost day. You cannot be right all the time. Am I right all the time? No, there are days I will experience a loss. Like today now, I've not even checked. I've not checked today's trade. I've not checked today's trade on my other single robot. But I know if my main robot made profit, that one too will make profit. If my main robot made profit, it must definitely make profit. So I don't bother checking. Are you getting it? You do not need big money to get started. Now, I'm going to ask all of you one question. Let's assume right now you want to learn a new job, you want to get a new skill. What is the appropriate time or appropriate duration that you need that will allow you to master it and do well with it? Let's say you want to learn fashion designer, bricklaying, carpentry, whatever, electrician, whatever work you want to learn right now. How long does it take you to learn that work? And to be able to say, after that period, you would have mastered, some of the things to some extent. You cannot learn everything at the same short period, but you would have been good enough to make some things happen. And now, comment in the comment section right now. Comment. How long will it take you? What period will it take you to master any skill of your choice right now? Okay, Mr. Falaba, you're welcome. 2 years. He said at least 2 years. Okay, let's even say I am a hot temper person. I no fit wait 2 years. My blood dey hot. I get plenty responsibility. I get plenty bill for my head. That 2 years, it be like donkey years. So others, please, somebody who do accept say 2 years. Abeg, that 2 years too long. How can I cut it short? That 2 years too long to learn work. Okay, I want to learn skill where I don't need to learn for that so long. How long do you think, if not 2 years, that at least I'll be able to do all the preliminary steps or the preliminary stage of that thing? Because all this one you are saying now, 2 years is too long. I don't go chop before 2 years. Wait till I go chop. Okay, Oba King says, okay. Murphy Sweet says 3 months. I'm beginning to like waiting you dey talk. That one dey make sense now. You know, okay, you do accept, don't say give me 90 days. You don't even make it easy for me to assimilate. Now 90 days. That 90 days go sweet. That 90 days home go sweet. Epic. 6 to 9 months. I go chop now. Which work I wan go learn now? We are not going to take up to that level. Kingsley, you para minimum of 1 year. You don't even consider all the things where they complain give you right now. Okay. For Labam say for newcomers, 2 years, but for people that have been trading before 3 months. If you just they come 2 years, if you have been doing it before 3 months, okay. So that means prior experience to give me advantage. Okay, no problem. Now, do you know the reason why I'm asking you this question? A lot of people avoid this step when they want to start. I've done it before too. So no be only you waka come. No be only you waka come. I've done it before too. I've done it myself. I want you to understand that you cannot skip the process. You cannot. If you skip am, see the platform, this trading way you want to do. Your village people, they don't know about am. But if you lose your patience, your village people will learn about it. And if they know about it, it will frustrate your life with it. Because the platform itself is enticing. The platform itself can cajole you. There are plenty of opportunity to make money. Okay. In fact, hello. Okay, before I dive into the training part of it, okay, because we are about going to the training part of it, I need you to understand first, number one, you are going to dedicate, let's even say, smallest of all smallest, you dedicate 100 days. Hello, 100 days. You are not looking for money. You are not looking for money. You are learning. It's a craftsmanship. You will learn the process. Be patient enough to see the process through. Now, you may not be able to start. I may not be able to give you all the details and say, okay, this is how we generate signal, this is how we do confirmation, this is how we do entry, this is how I do this, that. I may not be able to do that. Now, you also might not be able to be doing that every day. That's why I placed my own. I have to do it on auto. It's on auto. 247. It's been available since 2022. It's been available. The signal has been available. Every time one site shuts down, I'll move it to another site. It's been available since 2022. It has never closed for 1 month. I'm upgrading it every time. If people there was a time I think recently, some people using iPhone said they were not able to see whatever. I had to go and upgrade it. So that whether iPhone, any phone, any browser, even browser we no sabi safe, you can get the signal. Now, it's the same signal I'm using. The same way I will sit down, I will be looking for, okay, signal is available now. I can go and place trade. So instead of me doing that, I get to do that, put it on the server, let it be running. If we want to trade now, I'm going to go to that signal safe. Well, I'll wait for it, look for, okay, there is signal. It's like there is signal, it's upcoming. We can trade this one. Oh, we cannot trade this one. Since I've been talking to you, there has been, it started like 8 something. There has been plenty signal on Goes Outside on this platform. Since I've been talking with you, there has been plenty signal. But you see, we cannot just go straight. And you see, we do pamper, the thing where we do to make the money. It did not even look as if we work. So that you are not going to be shocked. You are not going, it's not going to be like, hey, don't finish. Now so. If not so now, it don't good now. Go just they do morning, afternoon, evening. No, I beg you in the name of God. That's why I'm explaining to you. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. You need a minimum of 100 days. Now, this 100 days does not involve you trying to make all the money in the world. No. The 100 days is set aside for you to master the process. Practice, learn, then you will earn. So during the process, while you are even learning it, mastering it, you will be making money. You will make money while you are learning. But if you avoid it, you leave it alone, you skip it, you've only done like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, you don't say, you don't arrive. You see, that thing where you supposed see, where you supposed learn from, you can't be like K, where they beat you. So when they beat you, you not go learn anything, you go just they cry. Hey, I for no put this thing, I for no change this thing, and my mind they tell me I never change it. Go and ask all the students that have traded before. There are quite some of them, they are still trading. Not everybody pack up. Some people think so, some people even think I'm no longer trading. Excuse me, because I'm not making video or I'm not talking about it does not mean I'm not trading. I need you to understand, because I am not making video or talking about it does not mean I'm not trading. So, how would we start with this project, $10? How would we start? Now, let me list it for you again. I will appreciate if somebody can help me put it up, then probably make it as a comment, whether on the group, whether on this video on YouTube. Now, number one, you need your mobile phone with internet access. Okay, when you get that, create an account on Deriv. You can use my link to create. It's in the description and it's also available on the group. You create an account with Deriv. You have a demo account. They'll give you a demo account. Number two, you need minimum of 20,000 naira. If it is Nigeria, you have naira 20,000. Just know you need 20,000 to start. Assume that 20,000 is for workmanship, where you want to take start. Not even your capital. Hello, not even your capital. It's for workmanship. You are paying for the workmanship to learn. So you're not giving me the money. Hello, you're not paying anything. Okay, you're not paying anything. Now, remember, capital, $10. Now, if you're anywhere else, like some of my subscribers from India, you need $10. Okay, $10. You set aside $10. Now, that is what you're going to be using to test the waters, to use to master. It will be like your tool, your equipment, your investment to master the process. Now, you see that $10 where you get, we are going to test run it. You are going to use it in such a way that you will know that even if you bring 1 million naira, or let's say $1,000, you are not going to lose. Hello? Even when you bring 1 million, 2 million, any amount, you will be sure and confident that you are not going to lose. The only thing that will give you confidence is after trading, you've collected withdrawals will give you confidence that, oh, this thing they work, oh, forget that, they work. This thing they work, I take no say they work because you they collect passive. That is what gives me confidence. I make my daily daily income from Deriv. You see, from this, I fit stay in this house. I fit stay in this house for 1 year. Me, I no go anywhere. As long as I fit see food stuff buy from outside, inside. In fact, outside, the last time where I don't go garage or anything, I cannot remember. In months, I may not go out. In months, I may not go anywhere. Why? Because there is no need for me to go anywhere. Because I can press my phone, and I collect the money. Press my phone, I collect the money. Now, I'm going to show you a process, okay? But before I do, and I start showing you the process, let me even see. Just a minute. Okay. I hope you guys are seeing the screen like this, Abby. Okay, I need you to comment if you can see the screen very well like this. Okay, I think this Zoom is okay like this. You can see the screen like this, Abby? Now, if you can see the screen like this, we are good, okay? I may not need to stop the video then, okay? I may not need to stop the video. Okay, so let's go back here. I may not need to stop the video. So once you can see the screen, no problem. I'm going to tell you what to do. We are going to run a step, okay? That step, my brother, my sister, in fact, okay, I know the one I'm going to use for you. I know the one I'm going to use. So that the next, excuse me, the next class we are going to do will be the main one where I'm going to ask you to load in your real money and be ready. So that one I'm going to use, I would have set up my page on my laptop. I will know I'm doing only YouTube. Okay, you'll be ready, you place your own trade, you give me feedback. I don't want lagness. That's my main concern. I don't want lagness because yes, WhatsApp people, you will not be able to see. You can only hear. Bethel, please join. Bethel, join. You will not be able to see on WhatsApp. You can only hear me. You have to join the YouTube. Look at the YouTube link above. Click on it and connect. You'll be able to see. Okay, you'll be able to see. If you're joining on the WhatsApp, just click on the link on the YouTube above, then you will be able to see what I'm saying. Okay, you have to see. It is important for you to see. Remember, I said number one, you need mobile phone with internet access. Then you create an account. Okay, create an account. Create a demo account. Okay. Number two, you need minimum of $10, 20,000 naira, for instance, as a starting capital. And then, number three, I talked about what you need. 1 hour, right? You need 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Let's say 90 minutes every day for your trading. Mind you, the trading itself is 24/7. It does not have closing time. It does not have closing time. Right now, as we are talking, we can trade and make money. Yes, it does not have closing time. Okay, just a minute. While I'm talking to you, I want to explain something. Then I also want to practically show you an example. Let me see if, okay. I want to see first if I can quickly show you one trade so that you get to understand that when signal is available, when the setups, everything is ready, the actual exercise to make the money does not take long. And because it does not take long, you will feel like, I finished. Maybe I can do another one. No. That's the more reason why you need to stick to the rules. There should be rules. I'll get to that. That's part of the trading routine, the trading plan. There, you have to trade your plan. Okay, like for instance, there are some of my trading plan here. I bastardized my wall here. I paste it everywhere. So that if I look like this, I don't see her. If I look like this, I see her. If I look like this, I see her. If I look like this, anywhere I look, I see. So there are rules. You must trade your rule. Okay? Number one, you trade the plan. You plan what you want to trade. Then you follow the plan. You trade it. And based on what you do, that's how the routine, the process is going to be established. Why? You are going to be repeating the same thing every day. Oh, you are not hearing me. I said, okay, you are going to be repeating the same thing every day. I think my internet is freezing. I think so. It's freezing. In fact, let me close. Now that I want to play straight, let me close some of these things so that they are not going to do wayo for me. Because sometimes internet can make you lose. Hello, internet. You are hearing tone. It could be that it's failing. It's not connecting. Now, let's say you are new to trading, okay? You are new to this trading. You've not done it before. Good, no problem. You are welcome. You will do it. You can do it. Anybody, over the years, I always tell people, I say, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Everybody can do this. But the thing there is, that thing everybody can do requires patience. Requires you to follow that plan. Remember, I said 1 hour, Abi? Or we say minimum, let's say 90 minutes. 90 minutes every day. Out of that 90 minutes, also know that you need 100 days. Hello? 90 minutes, 100 days. Please, somebody should be listing it now. You will help me post it so that they will understand. They will not forget. Number one, you need your phone with good internet access. Then when you get that your phone with good internet access, you create a Deriv demo account. If you already have one, no problem. You use the one you have. Create a Deriv demo account. Okay, you can use my link in the description below or on the WhatsApp group. You'll see my link there. Now, once you've created that, you now have an account with Deriv. Deriv is where I do my trading. Now, number two, you need what? Minimum capital to start. 20,000 naira if you are in Nigeria. If you are abroad, you are not in Nigeria, you're watching me, $10 to get started. $10. You don't need more than $10. Hello, I know some of you have money. You have $100. You have $300. You have 1,000. You are looking at doing big. Now lie. That's not how we are starting. I do not care. Hello, if you want to work with me on this, I do not care what you get. You don't need all that money. Reason is, if you cannot make do with $10, you cannot make profit with $10. What guarantee do you have? Or which angel from your mama's side or your spirit tell you, say you feel make am with 1 million or $1,000? Person wey no fit make money with what you call her 1,000 $10. You now want to start making money with 1 million. Oh, serious? You mean I did not stop this one since? Does it mean I'm streaming 2 places? Does it mean I was streaming in 2 places? Okay, sorry, I have to stop my OB studio to be sure that my laptop is dragging. I actually wanted to do a trade because I saw a signal, but my laptop was not allowing me to do that. So it's dragging its home. So let me see if I can. Do I have any account on this? I want to show you, I want to demonstrate under 1 minute or 2 minutes and show you practically how easy it is when everything is aligned. It's very easy. It doesn't take time to make any trade. It does not take time. Okay, it's only when signal is not available you need to wait. So you have to learn to be patient. Wait for the signal. Don't be in a hurry. Because if you are in a hurry, you will dash the platform your money. So why should I be in a hurry? What's the need for being in a hurry when I can easily just wait it out and get the right stuff? So remember, I've listed them. I said, what's the first thing? Your mobile phone with internet access, create an account. You have a demo account. Number 2, you need trading capital, minimum $10, 20,000 naira. Then once you have $10, 20,000 naira, hello, do not think about $100. Do not think about $200. Do not think about $300. Do not think about 400, 500, whatever, 1,000, whatever amount of money you have. Please, I beg you in the name of God, do not think about them. Do not put all your money there. Do you know why? You are in a learning phase. And during this learning phase, there are prone temptation that will come to you. Hello? Are you whining me? There are prone temptation. When your village people hold you for brokers, you start having ideas. Look at me. Today I've done like 2 trades or 3 trades. They all went smooth. I've just made like $10. Maybe I should just do another one. I'll wait for like 1 hour. Then I'll do another one. So maybe like every 1 hour, I will just, every 1 hour, I will just make it like that. Yes, they will minister to you. If you don't know now, I'm telling you, and you will say I told you. So before you now say, and they told me, and Mr. Faye was saying it too, I was thinking maybe the man's mouth just sweet. I was thinking his mouth was just sweet. Maybe he was just whining. My brother, my sister, there is no version I've not tested. There is no version I've not tried. There is no version. No version of it I've not tried. $1 to something dollar, $1 something dollar to something dollar. There's no version I've not tried. Okay, just a minute. I'm trying to see if, is this thing moving? 97, that's 92, that's like 5. Okay, if I still, okay, time is almost gone. So let's say the lowest is 92.7. So if I add 3 to it, 95. So if I get 95, this will be 93 something. This cannot work. It's already a late whatever. I wanted to show you one. Okay, so let's see. I think I can show you this one. Let's see. Let me show you. Okay, you are not seeing it like this. Okay, I just placed a trade. Okay, let me zoom this. I just placed a trade for $5. Okay. Okay, it didn't come down as expected because I know it will soon start doing reversal. I'm quite sure it will start doing. My time is already overspent, so it's almost the end of the bar. It's already a new bar. So right now, I'm likely to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long, okay? I don't want to wait too long for this trade. If it comes down a bit, I'm going to exit this trade, okay? Reason is because I entered, see, 49.30 something. I just quickly want to show you. Although if I wait it out, I should still be able to get the trade. But once it gets somewhere around here, if it doesn't, it's even 3 minutes. Oh, I may not be able to exit again. It's 3 minutes. I didn't see it. Okay, I think my internet has issue anyway. Okay, now let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm still likely to win the trade. Okay, it's coming down. I'm still likely to win the trade. If it gets here, somewhere around here, okay, if it gets somewhere around here, I would have won the trade. Now, I'm trying to show you, okay, look at the screen, look at the chart. I hope you're seeing. I wanted to trade it, but I saw that the time is almost rounding up. Okay, I may win the trade, I may lose the trade. I may likely win it because it's trying to come down. But if I would have won the trade, I like winning the trade very fast. I don't like waiting too long. I don't like waiting too long. I don't like waiting too long. Now, the one I'm going to show you first will be the one that, maybe the one that does not need us to wait too much. This trade, I may likely lose it because it's dancing too much. I don't like trade dance. I don't like when it dances too much. Now, let's see, 1, 2. I'm still likely to have another, the trend is still likely to come down. So going up, really, the trend should be changing very soon. The trend of this market should be changing very soon. It has asked the second one. This trade is taking too long. You can see how it's dangling. And meanwhile, the distance is very small. I need you to understand the distance is very small. What's the time, Seth? 9 seconds. I'm not winning this one. 6 seconds. Nah, lie. Now, I'm going to show you. Now, I'm not going to say because I had a loss, I'm not going to trade again. I know why I lost the trade. Guess what? After this trade finish now, this Mumu thing will come down. See, it's coming down. This Mumu thing will come down. The reason why I lost this trade, I can explain it to you. Number one, I trade outside my time. I was not supposed to enter that trade at all. While I was waiting for it, my internet was doing tom, tom, pound, tom. So by the time it was ready, it has already passed. Those are some of the things you have to learn. Once I'm only showing you, I've not said you should start trading. No. I'm only showing you. I want to show you how trading is. Now, because I did this trade does not mean I cannot make the same trade and make profits. I need you to understand. It does not mean I cannot make profit. I was supposed to make profit with this, but I entered late. How did I enter late? Look at my, I've closed it. If I had made you see my entry time, probably you guys would have seen my entry time. My entry time was delayed somehow. I entered late. Now, this is one. Let me show you. The actual one I wanted to show you, page, I don't understand. The page is not loading. This is the one I want to first show you, then explain, then we will now do one together. No, can't I do it here? What's the point of going to browser again when it's here? Can you see it's dangling up and down? Now, normally I was supposed to press, if I had used 4 minutes for that trade, I would have won it anyway. But that's not my concern. Now, losing is part of, who posted this one? Losing is part of the game. But you see, if you are not prepared for it, you will not understand it. But do you know you can also trade without even experiencing a loss? Without experiencing a loss. Somebody say, truly, fear they catch me and I don't deposit. Relax. I hope you have not started trading. I have not said start trading. Please follow instruction. Don't be in a hurry. I only wanted to show you how quick a trade can happen. No, this thing is not moving that much anymore. Okay, let me see. Bear market. Oh, can you imagine? It's bear market. And I use calculation of bull market for bear market. No wonder. That is what affected me. Can you imagine? I didn't know this was a bear market. Me trade bear market like that. Nah, lie. No, 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 no. I didn't know. No wonder. Me, I don't trade bear. I was looking at. Hello. See this chart. Can you people see? Can you people see? What do you see there? Bull. I've been looking at bull. I've been looking at bull. It is bull that made me want to go and place a trade. And I traded bear. So sometimes it happens, okay? It happens mainly when probably maybe when you are distracted somehow. It happens. Okay, so I'm going to show you with bull. I'm confident about bull because my calculation works well with bull. Okay, I'm confident about this one. Hello, I'm confident. This was the one I was analyzing. Even while I was talking with you, this was the one I've been staring at. This is the one I've been looking at. Okay. Now, the example I want to show you is very simple. What should I use? 6-8. 6-8 is okay. No, not 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Now, I want to show you an example of how the trading session happens. I want you to see how fast a trading session can be. I don't want you to trade with me, okay? I don't want you to trade with me because already this was the area I was supposed to trade. It was later I saw that it was bear because I was looking at it that this trade should have pulled through. I didn't know that it was bear market. I traded bear market. So it was a wrong market I traded. No problem. I don't have a problem with it. Now, my question is this. I'm going to talk with you. So when this price get back to this level, I will be able to trade. Okay. So I would now show you when I place the trade. Okay. I just want to be set. I want to make sure that I am set for the market before whatever. Now, if it gets here, that's it has not crossed it. It has to cross that line, go below that line. If it goes below that line, then when it pulls back, I can make my entry. Now, I'm showing you, hello everyone. If you're watching, I don't need you to place a trade with me, okay? This is to buttress my explanation. Hello? This is to buttress my explanation. Now, what is the explanation I'm giving you? Just a minute. Now, just a minute. I want you to see something. Remember, I traded one now. I did not win. I could have exited that market, but I didn't exit it. Okay, because I didn't even know it was even beer. Beer has its own calculation. I use bull calculation. Bull is bigger than bear. Okay, bull is bigger than bear. Bull has a bigger movement. Bear has smaller movement. I hope you guys are with me. Now, bull has red. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are indices, okay, on the platform where we trade. They are indices on the platform where we trade. Okay, maybe when let me leave this for now. Let me first explain to you first. So probably when I see the right signal to trade, okay, the right one, while I'm explaining to you, when I see the right one, I will show you. You will see when everything is right, In fact, this is what I will do. I'm going to open 2. No, I don't want to do goes outside because that one will be like 2 minutes. I don't want to do goes outside. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do 1 accumulator, okay? And I'm going to do 1, what's it called? 1 touch. Now, touch has to be precise, whether it is sell or buy. I'm going to explain this. If you need explanation, there is a video I've made already before that can give you explanation on that, okay? I've made a video explaining the markets I trade, how they work, the touch, the goes outside, whatever. It's on my channel here. You can watch the video. Now, okay. Now, I'm going to do 2 trades. So, I'm setting them up. I will show you. But I don't want you to place any trade right now. The trade we are going to do together will come with instruction. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you, go here, go here, go here. Okay, we are going to do this step by step. Now, remember I said you need $10 to start trading. You are not going to now say from that $10 you carry $5 and you put Ishira. No, that's not how it works. There is a process you have to follow before you start trading real. Once you understand the thing you want to be doing every day for your trade, okay. I hope I'm on the, sorry, I need to check that I'm on the right page. Okay, this one is 25. This one is bull. Okay. Okay, so let me show you this, what I'm looking at, okay? I'm looking at this one you see here is on D-Trader. It's called accumulator. You see it here, accumulator. Okay, this one you see here is touch. It was supposed to be on, what's it called? I was supposed to trade this bull market because that is the one I've been expecting since, okay? Not bear. So the one I traded was not where I was supposed to trade, okay? I was wondering why it was moving this small. It was not moving that much. So this one is the one I'm supposed to trade. So I'm going to be waiting for signal. Now, I need you to understand that waiting for signal requires patience. You have to patiently wait for the right time. What is the signal? What are we waiting? Why are we waiting? So that we can be right when we predict. When we make our prediction, we will be right. We have every reason to be right. Now, remember, we have not started. I have not told you to start trading. Hello, I have not told you to start trading. I want to show you how fast a trade is first. The right trade. Okay, very good. Now, let me zoom in on this one. No, zoom in will not work. Let me leave it as it is like this. Now, I want you to look at this. No. Don't let it stay like this. I've made an entry like this now for a trade. Okay? I've made an entry for a trade. Okay? And the trade already pulled through. I forgot to extend the profits. It was $1 that was there before. So I forgot to extend the profits. Now, I've won this trade. What have I made? 5%. It's just 5%. Okay? This is just like, it's 20. It's 2%. It's 10%. It's 10%. It's correct, 10%. Now, this is accumulator. Okay, this is accumulator. Accumulator. It's faster than this one. It's faster. And this one signal plenty. But for me, if I'm growing and I want to be stable, I want to be relaxed, I trade touch. And there is the last one, which I'm going to show you, which is goes outside. Okay, which is goes outside. maybe when another signal shows up on this one in particular, this touch in particular, I will set a trade. I'm waiting for it. Okay. Probably in the next 10 minutes, we should get signal. If it goes further in that direction, we will get signal. So in the next 10 minutes, we can get a signal to trade. Now, I need you to understand that these trade options, they don't take too long. They are very fast. If I was not doing video with you now, as I've made this mistake, I would have done trades to recover back the money fast. Yes, it is because I'm doing this one now. That's why I don't want to start showing you that part, because you may not, you will not be able to cope with that version. If you are not already stable, you are not already steady, you don't have discipline, you cannot trade that way. I'm not trading to quickly recover my losses. No. The $5 is part of profits I made today. So I'm not in a mood. You know they freak me. But imagine if all the money you have is what you have just placed. Even when you click enter, your mind go dey boil. You sure say this thing go work? Hey. Have you prayed in tongues before while you are trading? You are praying for the thing to come down. Have you prayed before for trade where you place? You start praying, Father Lord, I will not do it again. This is the last money. This is the last one. And let it come down. Let it come down. Let it come down. I will not do this thing again. If you make me win this one, I will be forever grateful. Guess what? You win it. The same you that say I will not do it again. So let me do one last one. Why? You don't lack discipline. You lack discipline. So the reason why I'm breaking it down for you, will there be losses? Yes. Yes, there will be losses. Will there be wins? Yes. There's going to be more wins than losses. But you see, if you're not prepared for losses, you cannot accommodate the wins. Because whenever you see the wins, you're not going to be stable. You're not going to be stable, and it does not make sense. One minute. Okay. I was thinking I would be able to catch a trade, but I wasn't getting the feel like I was expecting it. It was not coming, blah blah blah. It was supposed to come, it was not coming, so I was not feeling it. Okay, now let me explain this to you. We want to get started. How do you get started? Very simple. There is a plan we are going to follow. You have to follow that plan in depth. No changing of anything. If, for instance, let's say, if for instance you have, what do we call it now? Let's say, for instance, you have, how do I say it now? For instance, you have, let's say, in fact, let me use the $10 as an instance. Did I click this thing? This internet. I did not click now. Did I click? I did not click. I've not signed in anywhere else now. Sorry, I did not click this thing now. No problem. I did not click it too, because I saw that it was not going my direction anymore. I didn't click. I prefer to do this thing on my phone. This thing is not moving the way I want it. The market is somehow. Okay, let's just stick with, I'm going to show you with accumulator. Accumulator does not require much of signal. Okay, I don't need to do any signal. I don't need to stress myself on accumulator. Okay, I don't need to stress myself on accumulator. So we're going to work with accumulator. Once I see signal on accumulator, we're going to work with accumulator. So I'm going to demonstrate and show you with accumulator. For instance, this one now, I did not click it, and I'm seeing that my balance has reduced, and I'm not even seeing what I've clicked. My balance has reduced to 74. Was it 74 I had before? I don't know. I don't think it was 74 I had before. I think 83 or 80 something. So losing $5. So it was supposed to be 70 something. So I know that there is a trade ongoing, but I don't know which trade it is. Is it robots? Robot does not trade this time. Oh, it's past 10. It's past 10. There's a new robot I just activated. I just remember. Sorry. I saw that I didn't see, I've not clicked on anything, but I saw that my balance reduced by $5. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. Can you guys see it? See balance 74, right? Can you see 74? And before, I think I was seeing 78. So, and I have not placed a trade. So I'm wondering, I was wondering if it's a robot that is trading or something. Because I had a robot on this account, but I don't remember the formation I put on it. So the one we are going to trade is this one. Let's forget this one. Let's stick with this guy. Okay, because there is no signal here right now. Okay, no signal here right now. No signal on this one. Signal is available for this guy here. Signal is not available for Bull right now. I've checked even on my other phone. Now, let's do it this way. In fact, just a minute. Can you all see this now like this? Can everybody see this? Can you see can you see it very well? Or should I zoom in and make it small? My internet is doing somehow. Should I make it small like this, or is okay like that if it's big? Is it okay as like this? At least you can see up and down, like this now. You are seeing up and down, everything, all the page. You can see all the page like this. Please, if it's okay like this, just tell me yes. Okay. Now, let's go into the trading. We're not going to take long on the trading. I'm just going to show, because right now, there is no signal on touch. Let me check, goes outside. This one has frozen since. Is there something wrong with my internet or something? This thing is freezing. It's just doing tom. If you want to place trade, please make sure internet is not what is going to make you fail. That's why I'm trying to check my internet, because this thing is not, the time is not moving, so it's not changing. Okay, good. It's moving now. So if there is signal on goes outside, we will trade goes outside. Okay, but you see, okay, let's do it like this. I want to show you again with this, what do you call it? We'll call it accumulator. Okay, you can see some time in here, right? Let me zoom in so you see what I'm putting the sensor on. Can you see all this value? Now, this value, what this value represents are like data. Okay, these are like statistics data. Just a minute. I think this thing can go bigger. These are like statistics data of every time the spike happen. Okay, one signal is about to come through. Let me see if I can catch it. Okay, I've clicked on enter for that signal. This is accumulator. Okay, in 4 seconds, I've made 10%. No. Goes outside is not same as touch. It's not the same as touch. This one you are looking at here now is what we call, this one that you're looking at, that I just traded now. This one, gong, is called accumulator. This is the movement that shows what I did. I think my internet is not that okay. All this sound I'm hearing is a sound for internet failure. Now, this one that you're looking at, where this sensor is accumulator. Are you getting it? Accumulator. What does it give me? It gives me, look at, can you see the profit percentage I'm getting? Take profit, 20 cents. This 20 cents means I'm taking 10%. I'm making 10%. How and why do I like the accumulator? I like the accumulator because it does not take time. And signal boku, yakpa, but guess what? You can easily get carried away. You can easily get carried away. You can easily get carried away. That's why I'm cautious, trying to not first show you what we read. I only wanted to show you, let's assume, say, I want to do 2 trades today. I've done one accumulator, I've done one touch, a wrongful touch. I've done one accumulator, I've done 2 accumulator. 2 accumulator gives me 20%. I use $2. What you need to understand is this. I use $2. Hello? Right? I used $2 and I made how much? 40 cents. That is 20%. Under 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm close. I'm done. But you see, you that you're looking for money, you will not be satisfied until you see better money. If I have $10, right now, we said you need $10 to get started. You have $10, you want to start. How are you going to be trading? Remember, it's project $10, right? How are you going to be trading with that $10? Very simple. You don't need all the $10 to trade. You don't need all the $10 to trade. Now, what you do is you divide that $10 into 3. So you carry $3. You now see that $3 that you carry. That is like 30% of all your money. Somebody will say, any $10. We are still going to break the $10. Use $3. It's not that $3 self that you are going to use. You are going to use $1 from that $3. You are going to use $1 from that $3. Not all the $3, $1. So you are going to use $1 from your real trading phase while you are practicing. But you see, for you to learn and practice exact trades you are going to be doing, what you need to do is to first use demo. So that any mistake you will make, for instance, now, if it was demo I used to place the trade, where it was a wrong, I was analyzing red beer, I entered wrong book. If it was demo I use now, I have not lost anything. Are you getting it? You can make mistake. Even network can make you make mistake. Network. Internet can make you make mistake. Guess what? Before I finish today, before I sleep today, time has gone. I cannot disturb him now. I don't like anything after 10. I don't like disturbing. I'll still make my withdrawal. Maybe I'll make my withdrawal tomorrow. And I will make back the $5. I will make the $5 back. And I will know I'm not going to make it back with $10, $20. It's still with $5. I'm going to use $5 to recover that $5. But you see, before you get to that level, what you need to do is train yourself to be able to do the right thing. What is the right thing? Number one, trade your plan. What is the plan? I'm telling you the plan right now. So write it down. Number one, you are going to break that $10. In fact, before I break the $10, let's first say first week you are trading with demo. First week, demo. What are you going to be trading? How are you going to be generating the signal? I'm going to teach you one. But if you now feel like, it's too tedious, you don't have patience to wait, there is a signal for it. I have signal service. That signal is already available on that signal service. The same signal strategy I'm going to share with you right now. Okay? If you have been with me now, where is that group? If you have gone off, please, this is the time I'm sharing this one now. So this one, okay, let's do it like this. So that it's not going to be too long. Permit me to stop this one here, then start a fresh one. Now this fresh one, I'm going to explain the strategy. I'm going to explain from, okay, I can explain from here. I'll use the chart to explain. Okay, I'll use the chart to explain to you. Now, explaining the strategy on how you are going to be trading. How would you know when it is going up? How would you know when it is going down? Remember, we're supposed to place trade. Okay? Once you already established that, if signal is not available, we cannot force it. Okay? You cannot force it. You have to be patient. You wait for it. Don't be in a hurry. I beg you. Signal is not available. Don't trade. Signal is available. Trade. Your trade is going to be very quick. It's not going to delay. You are going to likely have better result than when you are trying to look at the chart, force it, and say, okay, I can do this now, I can do that now. Are you getting it? It's going to be a lot easier if you do it right than trying to do wrong stuff. If signal is not available, let me tell you, I'm going to tell you how I do my own trade. Celestina, Tina, long time. Now, goes outside is not the same as touch. Okay, there's a video, I already have that video in my YouTube. You can go and watch it where I explain touch, goes outside, even accumulator. Okay, and then I traded with accumulator to show you, because accumulator, the signal, you can, the signal is like one every 5 minutes. You can get one here in every 5 minutes, you can get one. Okay, for accumulator, signal yapa, the signal is surplus. But you see, for touch, the trend has to be in a direction. The market has to be either going down or going up. And then when I trade it, I try to make most of it. Now, because of robot and stuff, and because of the way I'm trying to reduce the level of profit, the amount of profit I trade, we start reducing the take profit region. Okay, but is it tradable? Any of these, would they give you profit? Yes, they'll give you profit. So goes outside is different. Goes outside has two barriers, one up, one down. Touch has just one. It's either up or down. If it is up, we use plus. If it is down, we use minus. Then accumulator. Accumulator is not working on signal. It's not working on the same signal touch or goes outside are working on. No. Accumulator is working on permutation. Okay, it's a calculation. After studying the chart or the price, you've seen how fast, how quick it usually spike. It's like spike. It's like, will it move very fast? Will it move very far? So they give you two barriers, the same barrier. And once you go far past it, it's a loss. Once he stays within, you are okay, you win. Now, so accumulator, the strategy is designed from, you see, the same strategy that I used to make 10% now, showing you, it can make me 15%, it can make me 20%. But I decide I don't want 15 or 20. I am the type that likes small, small. Okay, reason. So that as I don't do am comot, nobody go stress me, nobody go disturb me. I go just do go before they carry their wahala come. So accumulator, in fact, if it is accumulator signal we want to do, my brother and my sister, we would have done 3 trades. We just close. In fact, we will not spend 10 minutes. Because in every 5 minutes, you will see one signal. 1 or 2 safe, depending. In every 5 minutes, you will see one signal, 1 or 2. That's accumulator. So signal is surplus. The other type that I trade are digits, but those ones, I won't encourage them as main trading focus. I will encourage them as just whenever you feel like, because it requires you looking and waiting for the right formation before you enter. That's why I don't talk about them, because of the stress it involves. But accumulator, no more stress. I have signal for accumulator on my website. It's the same. It's the same as I'm telling you right now. It's the same thing. It's the same signal as we just the wait and let it sharp, we don't close. In 5 seconds, you will win your trade in accumulator. 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds to win a trade in accumulator. In touch, it takes 60 minutes or yes, maybe 70 minutes in touch trade. Now, in goes outside, it takes 2 minutes. Those are the trades that I do, right? I'm telling you how long they take for you to win your trade. In goes outside, 2 minutes. That's the longest. In touch, maybe 60 to 70 seconds. That's 1 minute, 10 seconds. Are you getting it now? Then in accumulator, 5 seconds. Do you guys understand? Please, if you understand, if you grab it, let me know. This, you need to understand. Reason why I have been explaining since morning. It's not because we cannot go straight into the trade. Okay. Okay, we'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. So that it's going to be fast. I don't want to be sharing because this thing is going to be stationed in one. Remember, I said, let me stop this and record the trade session itself on its own. Abi? So please permit me to stop this, then you reconnect, right? And so that it's not going to be too long. Okay, let's stop this so that we can reconnect, right? So that you'll be able to watch and rewatch. It will be easier. It's not going to be long. Okay. So let's do that, please. Just a minute.